Hi. Why don't you concentrate on eating? You don't need to stand up, Chewy. Yeah? Are you eating Teddy Puffs? Teddy Puffs? Let's see it. Did you get one? Yeah, you got one. Good job. That's your finger. Oh, there's one stuck in your hand. Yeah. There's one stuck in there. I know, I want to see you eat a Teddy Puff. They're hard to grab. I don't think you got one. I think that's your finger. See that Teddy Puff? What you looking at? Oh, yes, there's one down there. But how are you going to reach it? Oh, you got it! Yay! Teddy Puffs! Yay! Yay! Penny Teddy Puffs! What you look at? Your puppy's outside. You're such a good little eater now. I see. Oh, burp. Okay, Penny, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.